These scales once belonged to an apex predator. Today, they are the ultimate weapon for the World Cup.
Ethically harvested to protect native wildlife, the skins are flash frozen and transported in climate-controlled steel crates immediately. How does a rigid reptile hide become flexible enough to bend and flex for professional elite sports? Microscopic carbon strands are woven by robotic arms to form a pure black, shimmering aerospace-grade carbon fiber fabric.
Keep it steady. Guide it in. Watch your hands. Down slowly. Heavy contact. Step back.
Three distinct elements from across the globe converge under one roof.
Before a single cut is made, the cured python skin is unrolled onto a backlit inspection table to verify perfection.
Before the blade touches the ancient scales, an overhead laser maps the perfect aerodynamic cutting pattern. The leather is shaved down to exactly 1.2 millimeters. Subscribe for more precision engineering. A boot is only as strong as its core. The ocean plastics now meet the python hide. Using high-tensile micro yarn, the moisture-wicking lining is hand-stitched directly into the inner shell.
Marad fedélsödém és tolom oda majd a címet, hogy ne szóval szimptomai hamonian.
To build a sole plate capable of explosive acceleration, multiple layers of carbon fiber are meticulously hand-stacked.
How do you turn flexible woven fabric into a rigid, hyper-lightweight aerospace skeleton?
The steel molds are baked inside a pressurized autoclave at 180 degrees, hardening the matrix. The completed upper is stretched tightly over a bespoke foot mold, locking the anatomical shape into place. Merging organic muscle with an aerospace skeleton requires an adhesive that activates only under extreme thermal pressure.
Aquí Python sull'annanza di Python fan e vari rendati. Tengo la priorità di poi che poi da proprio. Itoni meni.
Driving the remaining studs in sequence ensures perfect weight distribution for explosive on-pitch acceleration. The final touch. A specialized synthetic wax is applied to seal the ancient scales against rain, mud, and the rigors of the pitch. The aerospace carbon fiber is forced to bend 90 degrees, ensuring it delivers maximum energy return without snapping.
cái nó nghe tình điểm liền nghe lục kia nó nén chẳng quá để chèo con cọp tầng đó để chiong với chừng còn lô bốn.
Tonight, history will be made.
The test begins. Let's do this.
Hello viewers, welcome to my channel NextForge Labs. I hope you liked seeing how raw Python skin becomes a FIFA 2026 World Cup marvel. What industrial process should we crack open next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Thank you. Please like and subscribe this video. This production by NextForge Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. NextForge Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.